There's Steve.
What's up, sir?
Just doing a little update video on this. So here we got it all in. Everything's all tied in. So now Steve, you can flush the toilet at will, right? Steve, that toilet's all yours, buddy.
It all now. Easy living now.
Easy living. So here we go. Let's see here. There's the Fernco tied to the cast iron. I decided, like, since there's gonna be a, let me get back here. Since this is gonna be a future bathroom, that's why we did this. Well, this is not why we did it. We did it to fix the basement, but once you have all this stuff out, you might as well just come for a. So we have the toilet there, like I said, vent, or this is the vent that comes out to give air to it. And then here, Justin just tied this in by himself while I was gone. I was getting more pea stone, and we're just gonna fill all this in with pea stone. Even though we're gonna have a trench, this was like a couple feet deep. It's a lot more work and money. Well, it's like 45 bucks more, but it's just more of the labor. But I don't want to put clay on top of this, and then if anyone ever had to change this, it's better just to have this all pea gravel at this point. So yeah, I just want to do a quick video. How you basically replace and redo some of the old cast iron stuff that's here. We have it all tied in now. I put the clean out there instead of over here, because now that this is straight, having the clean out here would make it messed up for the inside corner walls of the future bathroom. So this right here makes it outside of the doorway that's going to be right here. And then obviously you walk in, the door's going to swing out open this way. And you're going to have a sink here and a toilet. The reason why we did it that way is because you have to think of your supply lines, and in this case, your supply lines will be in an interior wall and you'll never have to worry about it freezing. So that's why we did that. Luke, I wish I would have got your wipeout on film.
I didn't say that.
Yeah. Anyways, that's the update. I'll just keep this video short. I want to get this before I filled it in with the pea gravel, but this is all going to be filled. And then above this, there will be a trench all the way around. They were sledgehammerings, but even though we saw cut all this house it actually has good like 4 inches of concrete in most places around here. A lot of these old Pontiac houses, I've done this a few times, you're lucky if there's 2 inches there, but that means that you can sledgehammer it out. But in this case, they went really good. I don't know if you can see the slab thickness, but it's every bit of 3.5, 4 inches thick. So tomorrow morning, we'll be running a jackhammer to help us get this trench open. And then once the trench is open, we'll be digging out a little bit more clay. And then you can see we opened up the top there for the sump pump, the crock for the sump pump. And I just went and purchased that. And we have all the weeping tile, which is 111 feet. So we're going to keep you posted, and this is Dave signing off.